Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
Good morning, camera. From this beautiful KANAZAWA. Steru. Jimizu. Kenrokuen is considered to be one of 3 most beautiful gardens in Japan, along with one in Mito in Okayama.
This garden used to be the outer garden for Kanazawa Castle. Therefore it is within very close proximity to the castle, and you can walk from one to the other in a matter of minutes.
Beautiful ambiance of this garden.
It sounds peaceful.
So peaceful. The raking, the light raking, and the cacophony of fire trucks.
The tourist alarm.
Don't take a picture of that tree. Cops are coming.
I already did.
That's where they're coming. They're coming for you.
I was the first person in the whole world I ever took.
The garden was constructed by the Maeda clan over a period of 200 years. Which way do you choose? Left or right? Left or right? Left or right? Maybe it's because it just rained, but everything's so like vividly green. That's crazy.
In Chinese landscape, there are 6 essential landscape elements: spaciousness, seclusion, artificiality, antiquity, water, and views.
Kenrokuen has all 6 of these elements. Therefore, the garden is called the Garden of 6 Sublimities.
Multitasking. Taking pictures with the other hand while I film. I'm ridiculous. This picture right here, Holly didn't want me to take it.
Stop copying.
I filmed myself taking that picture.
Each season, the garden's trees showcase that particular season. We were lucky to visit in March and see both the plum and the cherry trees in bloom. What would you say, you're quackers for ducks?
I would definitely say I'm quite. I zoomed in.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him!
Water for the pond was diverted in a sophisticated water system constructed in 1632. Admission is 320 yen.